My name is Jordan Glassman, competitive shooter, police officer, and I help run the Dixon Precision Rifle Series. So we're a regional series under the PRS umbrella. We run 13 one-day matches that culminate in a finale at the end of the year. And then we also run a match for beginners in the beginning of the season to help people get introduced to the sport. What gets me most excited is watching new people come into it. I like the training aspect of it. I like helping other people get introduced to it. Watching people show up that have never shot a competition before, helping them, opening their eyes to see what is out there, that's probably the best part of it. As far as Dixon has gone, Kestrel is, I guess you consider local to us in PA, and they've supported us even before I was shooting or before I was involved in running the series. They would come out to the range and give classes. For our beginners match, they do a Kestrel loaner program to all our shooters. So anybody shooting a beginners match gets a Kestrel. They use it for the match. I believe they offer a discount to the shooters after they use it if they wanted to buy one. They do giveaways. I mean, it'd be hard pressed to find another company that's actually supported the grassroots of the shooting sports more than they have. I've met most of my friends through shooting, close friends, and that's, you know, a common hobby that we all share. So being at the range with everybody, just hanging out, that's the best day.